kubor baman kasngi awan lam shipi da unang yalam ni.
I take this opportunity to declare the district level inter-school athletic meet 2026 of West Rangers District open. Winners. Of course, we want to win. That's the goal. However, let us know that sports meet will also teach you about patience. It will teach you how to handle success with humility and to accept your failure with grace. Sports will teach you what true champions really means. Let us know that true champions are those who rise after every fall and those who never give up. The word impossible is always absent in their dictionary. You are my dear teachers. I know who you are. You don't just teach in the classroom. You don't just lecture and guide and impart the moral values to your students. But you are here to be in the field as real coaches. Even if it is sports meet, I know you are the real coaches when it comes to sport. You are ferocious. You are my dear students, your teachers. They are ferocious, they are wild, they want you. They want to encourage you. They want to inspire you. They want to guide and to pull you up to become the best athletes.
In the name of all competitors, I promise that
Banyo iki kubor baman kasngi sumhawan subscribe ka channel unang yalam news. Kublai shibu.